Hey Ideaplex family, imagine a world where your art ideas come to life in seconds, effortlessly blending creativity and AI. Welcome back to the channel where we explore tech and creativity tools that make your life easier in your projects. Today we're diving deep into Artspace.ai, an AI-powered platform that's making waves in the digital art world. And trust me, this tool might just be the magic wand you didn't know you needed. So let's jump in and see what it's all about. So what is Artspace.ai exactly? Think of it as your personal digital art studio where you can create, modify, and enhance artworks using the power of AI. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, Artspace.ai promises to help you unlock your artistic potential. But let's not just take their word for it. Let's see if this tool really holds up. Artspace.ai offers a clean and simple dashboard, something I personally appreciate because, let's face it, we don't need complicated tools slowing us down. You've got your options clearly laid out. Create new art, explore pre-made styles, or even enhance existing projects. So right off the bat, it feels pretty accessible. Alright, let's get into the meat of it, the features that really make Artspace.ai stand out. I'm going to cover 3 big ones that caught my eye and seem to be crowd favorites too: style transfer, prompt to art creation, and customization controls. These are what really separate Artspace.ai from other tools on the market. So let's take them one by one. First up, style transfer. This is a super fun feature if you're looking to add a unique twist to your work. You can take a base image, maybe a photo you love, and run it through different filters to give it an entirely new look. Let's say you want a Van Gogh vibe or something more futuristic, it's all just a click away. In my experience, the results are pretty impressive with high quality output that feels genuinely inspired by the original artist. Next is one of the tool's most innovative aspects: prompt to art creation. Essentially, you type in a description and Artspace.ai brings it to life visually. The platform generates something that honestly feels like a mix between fantasy art and real-life scenery. It's kind of mind-blowing how detailed these AI-generated pieces can be. This is a game changer if you're looking to brainstorm concepts or just explore your imagination without needing to start from scratch. And lastly, the customization controls. This feature is fantastic for anyone who likes a bit of control over their art. You can tweak everything from colors to textures, layering effects, and more. Artspace.ai even lets you adjust lighting and contrast to make sure the piece matches your exact vision. In my experience, these adjustments are intuitive and don't require any advanced art skills, so whether you're a pro or just playing around, it's easy to get a result you're happy with. First things first, once you've bought your Artspace AI license, open the app from any modern web browser. Go to Artspace.ai, sign in using the same credentials from checkout. Upon logging in, you'll land on homepage. From here, click Continue Drawing to jump into the app interface. Now, let's get creative. Find the prompt box at the bottom of your screen. This is where you describe what you want to draw. Try typing a cat wearing a chef's hat, riding a unicycle on Mars. Then click the blue button, the magic button, to generate your image. Your image will load in the art box, the white rectangle in the center of the screen. It shifts to the side, letting you draw additional images right beside it. Use the zoom fit tool on the top right to keep all images visible as you work. Next, let's explore the sidebar links. Click the blue arrows at the top left to open it. You'll find useful links like the homepage, public gallery, Facebook community, a Google form. Across the top toolbar, you have the undo and redo buttons, along with history for all your saved images. Each image in your history includes the prompts and settings used to create it, making it easy to recreate or delete images you no longer need. Once your artwork is ready, you have options. Use the gallery button to share with the Artspace AI community or upload to bring in personal images for edits. The download button lets you save images individually, as a collage, or even as a .zip file for easy access. Adjust your workspace to suit your needs with the zoom tools. Plus, activate the move tool to drag the canvas in any direction, giving you infinite space for your creations. On the right, open the settings panel to find different models tailored for specific styles. There's the Universal Nova model, the Photorealism model, Dream Studio for animated style characters, and the Anime Alchemist for vibrant anime designs. The negative prompt box lets you specify elements you don't want. Start with defaults like blurry or watermark and adjust as needed for each unique piece. For consistent results, set a seed number in the prompt settings. Each image generated has a unique seed number, so you can recreate exact images or try similar ones by tweaking the seed type. Artspace.ai is designed for flexibility, letting you explore endless possibilities, so experiment with prompts, play with settings, and dive into the community. So, you might be wondering, where can Artspace.ai fit into your workflow? Create unique visuals that stand out. Use it as a brainstorming tool or a way to quickly test out different styles. Generate art assets that match your brand's aesthetics without hiring a designer. Just explore the joys of creating digital art without needing advanced software. Results often look professional, ready to share or print. If you want more detailed control, you may need to upgrade. Speaking of pricing, Artspace.ai offers a few different plans, which lets you try out the basics, but if you're serious about using it long term, there are paid options with added features. Personally, I'd say the Pro plan offers a good balance of features and affordability. But again, it depends on how much you're planning to use it. So is Artspace.ai worth your time and money? In my opinion, absolutely, especially if you're someone who values creativity but doesn't always have the time or tools to create from scratch. And yes, there's a cost, but the creative possibilities here are huge. Whether you're creating content for social media, designing art assets, or just exploring your artistic side, Artspace.ai has a lot to offer. If you're curious to try it yourself, I've dropped a link in the description. Give it a shot and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you see it becoming part of your workflow? And as always, if you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all things tech and creativity. Thanks for tuning into Ideaplex, and until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing those boundaries.